Despite challenges brought by the sporadic resurgences of COVID-19, foreign investors in China pin high hope on the country's resilience in recovery as well as its capacity to achieve the growth target. In Lanzhou, northwest China's Gansu province, agricultural and food products processing enterprise Yihai Carry Arowana Holdings Company, Limited is constructing its first factory. Yihai Carry Arowana is a subsidiary of Wilmar International Limited, a leading agribusiness group in Asia that is headquartered in Singapore.
这个益海嘉里在中国这个成立30年以来，我们一直坚定看好中国的经济，并持续在中国进行投资。
The optimism is shared by Standard Chartered.
渣打坚定看好中国的长期发展前景，我们对中国发展所带来的机遇充满信心。未来3年，渣打集团将投资3亿美元到中国的相关业务，帮助客户更好地把握中国持续改革开放所带来的巨大机遇。
The Pinggu Economic and Technological Development Zone of Eastern Zhejiang Province houses nearly 300 foreign enterprises, including those from Japan, Germany, the United States, and Switzerland. The enterprises have expressed their confidence in the Chinese market as well.
作为全球最大的纺织机械市场，中国一贯是我们特吕斯的最为关注的一个市场。中国市场呢，具有全球最完备的供应链，也有全球最顶尖的专业服务和高素的人才，为我们进一步扩大市场份额，进一步服务好客户，奠定了良好的基础。当前呢遇到了一些疫情造成的一些物流的不确定性，然后还有一些人员的问题。那么我们在尽一切努力克服的问题，然后也得到了当地政府的大力支持。
In the first quarter of this year, the Chinese economy grew by 4.8% year-on-year. The country's policymakers have rolled out a series of measures to shore up growth.